Assalamualaikum. Dear student, today we learn My Food Basket page number 26. Look at the picture, listen and learn. This is pineapple and it's papaya. It's called watermelon and this is banana. This picture is orange. This is mango. It's called custard apple. This is guava and it's pomegranate. This is grapes. It's called apple. Listen, repeat and talk to your friends. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like apples? No, I don't. Now you make new sentences using the name of the other fruits. Look at the pictures and tell. Pranav has a pineapple. He has many mangoes. Shreya has a watermelon. She has many oranges. Now you make new sentences using a and many and send WhatsApp group.